Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I'm going to try a couple of new makeup products from Essence. So today I just have two kind of lipsticks, an eyeshadow palette and a highlighter palette. So today we'll be trying out that. I'll give you all the swatches of the lipsticks on my hand, as well as I'll try it on my lips as well, and I'll do a just quick tutorial using the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter palette as well. So we have that for today because I want to do a drugstore review, because I was just actually doing like high-end versions and there was not quite a lot of drugstore products that was actually that interesting. But I love Essence lipsticks and highlighters. I think they are a bit new, so I just wanted to grab a few and I got it for a discounted price, so yay. So I got everything actually at a discounted price, so I just thought I'll grab a few of those and try it for you guys, so even you will have an idea whether it's good or not. So I'll let you know everything about all the things that I'm gonna show you. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials and reviews. So if you come across, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there. Please go there and follow me as well. So it would be a great support, and do subscribe also because it would be a great help to me and support to me. I don't want to keep the introduction too long, so let's dive into the video. I've already done my face makeup because I don't have any foundations or anything as such. I just have an highlighter palette and I have a huge eyeshadow palette, and we have a couple of lipsticks as well. So I did my face makeup off camera because I don't want to waste my time here. So now going on to the eyeshadow palette. Now these things I got it from the Middle East website, the noon.com, as well as the faces.com. So only this lipstick is available on the actual Essence website. I couldn't find the eyeshadow palette there, I couldn't find the highlighter palette there, I couldn't find this lipstick. So I am not sure whether this is just for Middle East or it's not in the US. I really don't know. I couldn't find even the prices of all these in pounds or even in dollars. So I am honestly really not sure whether they have discontinued the product or what. I simply couldn't find. I was searching since a very long time, but I just couldn't find. So whatever I could find, I'm obviously gonna tell you. So anyways, let's begin into the video. So firstly we have the eyeshadow palette, which is this Essence Give Me Crown eyeshadow palette, and it has 18 shades. So as you can see, it is a huge palette, and they had two variations in this as well. The packaging is okay for the price point. This palette I got from faces.com and I got for I think much cheaper price. This is actually for $35, not $35, it is actually for 35 dirhams, but I think I got it for around like 20 to 22 dirhams. I had hauled it in a couple of videos back, so if you want you can check that. So this is Hot Blooded Princess or Cool Queen. This duo has the perfect answer for both types, the warm gold and soft berry tones of the Be Royal. Not cute, I don't know, I really couldn't understand that. Eyeshadow palette, let your eyes shine intensively thanks to velvety textures and high pigmentation. The 12 shimmering and 6 matte eyeshadow colors can be combined to create long-lasting expressive looks. So Essence had a variety of eyeshadow palettes, but some were very expensive for the eyeshadow palette, so I didn't get that. But this was a good deal for just like 30-20 dirhams, so I got this. And there was a second one, but the colors were not that great, so I got this one. So firstly I had shown, actually we have in the haul video I had told you that I got the sticker, but there are two sticker sheets here, and these are very, very cool. So you get like 2 sheets of stickers in this palette, so that's cool. So we have that, and then we have the eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks from inside. From outside we have this, we have these glitter crowns, and from inside it looks like this. You have 6 matte eyeshadows, and then you have like 12 shimmer shades, so we have that. And then you have this flap here to protect the eyeshadows, so that's great. It looks pretty good. I had just one eyeshadow palette earlier on from Essence, but the payoff was not that great. The shimmer was kinda just falling on my face and it was not as glittery. So the mattes feel really nice. Now let me just see the eyeshadow shimmer shade. So they look like this, but I'm not sure how they are gonna perform on my eyes. And I mean, I'll quickly just swatch it for you guys and show you, because I don't really want to waste time just swatching it here. So I'll just quickly do that. These are the swatches for the matte shades. They are, I mean, they feel really soft, but let's see, we'll try it on our eyes and then we'll see how it is gonna perform. And these are the swatches of the shimmer shade, and it is a little bit crumbly. I mean, I hope it works well on my eyes. So we have the swatches of that. I mean, the swatches are pretty good. So anyways guys, now I'll quickly do a quick tutorial on this using this palette, and then we'll move on to the other products. Let's go to the tutorial. So guys, I have finished doing my eye look. As you have seen in the tutorial, I did a good palette for the price point, and I'll give my final opinion at the end of the video quickly, because in general it is a good palette and I love the eye look that I could create. And I just used a mascara to complete my eye look because I am not interested in putting a false lashes for now. Anyways, that was all for the eyeshadow palette. Now going on to the highlighter palette. Even this I couldn't find anywhere, I don't really know, but this is the Choose Your Glow highlighter palette, and you have 3 shades. So this is the packaging, and you have a good mirror, and then again you have this to protect the powders, and you have 3 shades. So you have Candlelit Glow, Major Glow and Summer Glow. So you have 3 shades according to different skin tones. You can mix and match, or you can use just one shade. So I'll swatch the Candlelit Glow, then we have the shade Major Glow, and we have the shade Summer Glow. So these 3 are the shades. So I can mix and match, or I can just use one. I can use these 2 and maybe mix and match all the 3 and use it on my face, but I think for today I'll just use one shade. Maybe I think I'll use the middle one, which is Major Glow. That's really pretty. And even this palette was for around less than 30 dirhams, and I got it from Noon. So I'll link in the description below the link, maybe if you want to purchase this. I think I got it for like around 24 dirhams because there was some discount going on. So that's really pretty. I mean, it is kind of too light for me actually. It is a really nice palette, and you have different types, so obviously all the skin tones can use this. I mean, it's looking really glowy. I mean, very glowy. That was that. And honestly, even this palette I couldn't find anywhere in the US website, so I really don't know whether this palette is available in US or not. And it might be for less than $10, that is for sure, because Essence is a really good drugstore brand. So we have that. Now we have 2 types of lipsticks. So firstly we have the Essence Perfect Matte lipsticks. So we have these. I have 4 shades. There were like around 8 or 9 shades, but I just got 4 of these. I got it for like around 13 dirhams, but on Noon website it is for around 15 dirhams, but I got it on sale, so I got it for like 11 dirhams actually, but now it's showing like for 13 dirhams. And then we have a different one, which is Essence Stay 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So I have 4 in these. I think there are 9 shades in these, but I got 4, and this is also for the same price. So we have that. So I'll quickly just tell you about these lipsticks. Perfect Matte ones are the matte lips in seductive colors as a true statement for every look. The Perfect Matte lipstick is very easy to apply, feels pleasantly soft on the lips, and leaves behind a long lasting matte effect. And best of all, from nude and berry to red and apricot, there's sure to be just the right trendy color to suit every matte addict. So we have that. The liquid lipsticks are available I think in 9 shades, and they are the stay. No matter where you are, what you do, Stay 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick does not leave you. The highly pigmented liquid texture dries to a super matte finish, and it is proven to last 8 hours, paraben free, acetone free, alcohol free. So I'm not sure whether I am gonna like the liquid one, because I think they are super matte, and I am not a super matte person. So anyways, now firstly we will actually try the matte Perfect Matte ones. So I'll quickly I have actually 4 shades. So I have they actually don't have names. They actually have the names, but the name is written on this sticker. I don't really know why they don't write it here. So I have 01, which is Memory. So we have that. Then we have 02, which is This Is Me. We have that. And then we have 03, which is Seasons of Love. Nice red color. And then we have 04, which is Raise You Up. So we have that. So this is the packaging. I think they have a shiny one as well, but I couldn't find that. So we have that. Nice packaging, and from inside it looks like this. I think this will be a comfortable matte lipstick, because usually the Essence lipsticks are comfortable, but I think the liquid one would be very dry. So we have this. So firstly we have the shade Memory, which is this nice peachy color. I mean, the swatch was bad, but that is a pretty beautiful peachy color. Then we have the shade 02, which is This Is Me. I mean, it's kind of peachy pink corally color. So we have that. I mean, actually they look similar, but then we have the shade 03, which is Seasons of Love. So this is a nice red color. So these are very comfortable. So that's a nice berry red color. Then we have the shade 04, which is Raise You Up. So this is a proper nude color. So that's actually really pretty. So we have that. Now I'm quickly just going to swatch these on my lips for you. So guys, as you saw, these lipsticks are very comfortable, and they are not the drying ones. I mean, it is very little drying, but I think if you will prep your lips very well, it won't feel drying. I mean, my lips are dry, but these doesn't feel bad. And I just didn't like the color 01, because I mean, this was way too light for me. But I think if I will pair it with a darker lip liner, or I'll use a lip gloss on top of it, it would look really pretty. But the other 3 shades, 02, 04 and 03, I really liked it, and this color is also really pretty, and the color payoff is really good. So there is nothing bad. In one swipe you're getting the actual payoff of the color, so that's really great. So we have that for the Perfect Matte lipsticks. Now I will give you the swatches of the Stay Matte liquid lipsticks as well. Now going on to the liquid matte lipsticks. So firstly we have the shade 02 Dark Face, and this is a beautiful nudie brown color. That is really beautiful. Then we have the shade 04 Mad About You. This is a beautiful bold color actually, but I really don't know how to explain that color. I mean, that's really beautiful. That's gorgeous. I mean, it's so pigmented. I hope it is not drying, because if it's drying, I mean, it's of no use. Then we have the shade 06 To Be Fair, which is this beautiful mauvey pink color. That's pretty. I mean, the color payoff is actually very good. And then lastly we have the shade 07 Let's Chill, which is more of a burnt orange kind of a color. I mean, that is also beautiful. I mean, all the 4 shades are actually really good. It is gonna take a couple of seconds to dry up, so now quickly we'll do all these swatches on my lips. So let's go. So guys, that was all for today's video. I mean, these were all the swatches, but now let me quickly just tell you a few things about each products, and then we will be done with the video. So I mean, can you see the swatches? I mean, so firstly, going on to the eyeshadow palette. So now for the price point, the eyeshadow palette is actually pretty good. The mattes are really nice, and the shimmers are also pretty good, but I mean, they were a little bit patchy. The matte shades were a little bit patchy here, so I mean, I can't really complain anything about the palette because it is so affordable. I mean, it is very cheap, and I can't really ask for more. So if you are a beginner, if you want to just buy something and that you can just practice on, I mean, these are really great. And even these shimmers and metallic shades were really pretty. I mean, not every shade is very blinding, but the one that I used is really pretty, and I've used that in my inner corner, so it is pretty good, and it is pretty good for the price point. Nothing bad about the palette because it is so affordable, so cheap. I mean, if you are a beginner, obviously you wouldn't mind using this palette because I mean, the color payoff is good. If the color payoff was not that great, I wouldn't actually recommend this. But I mean, if you want to try something new, and if you are just new in makeup, I mean, this is a good palette to start your makeup with. And I mean, obviously if you are a great makeup artist, you won't like it that much, but I mean, for the price point, I really can't complain about it. And you get, like, if you are a fan of stickers, you get like 2 sheets of stickers, so that's great. I mean, in total it is a good palette, really good. I mean, they have different types and different varieties, so you can obviously choose that. In the same palette you have like 2 different types, so you can choose that, and you get like a bunch of shimmer shades as well. Price, it is a good palette for the price point. So I mean, that's for the eyeshadow palette. Then going on to the highlighter palette. So the highlighter palette is also really good. So I mean, they have different shades for different skin tones, so that's really pretty. And the highlighter is blinding, so I mean, it is very soft. It is not filled with glitters or something like that, because Essence highlighters are really good. Even they have the other one as well, which is in the single pan. That's also really nice, and these are very soft, so it blends really nicely. It doesn't leave a cast on your face, grayish cast, so you can mix and match different shades and make your custom shade as well. And so I mean, that's a really good palette, and it is not very expensive. It's a nice good drugstore highlighter palette, so I mean, there is nothing bad about it. I mean, it is a good deal and good catch for such a good price point. So we have that. Then going on to the Perfect Matte lipsticks. So as you saw these swatches, I mean, I didn't like the shade 01, which was too light for my skin tone, but all the other 3 shades are really pretty, and they have like 7 or 9 shades, and they have a bunch of neutrals as well as berry tones as well, so you can obviously choose. And they are very comfortable matte lipsticks. Essence lipsticks are really comfortable, but I don't know, the smell of their lipsticks, I don't really like it. I simply don't like I can't really explain the smell of it, but I don't really like it. All the lipsticks from Essence have these typical smells and I really don't like it. But I mean, they are very, very comfortable, they are very affordable, and I mean I think in the US it will be like for around $2 or $3, so that's affordable, and here you will get for less than 15 dirhams, so that's really good. And I mean, if the shade is, if you have some shade which are lighter, you can obviously use a lip liner to just balance it. But I mean, it is a comfortable matte lipsticks, I don't have any complaints about it. So I mean, I really like it, except for one shade, but these 4 lipsticks are really great. Then going on to the matte lipsticks which I have on my lips, I mean, the shades are really pretty. As you can see on my hands, they have dried up completely and now there is no stain. I mean, this was from earlier, it wasn't dried up completely, but now, and there is actually nothing, so it is completely dried. It is not very drying. Time you start applying it, you will know that it is a drying lipstick, because I mean, I don't know, it somehow tightens your lips and it gets dried up. So it is kind of dry, but it is not too drying. I mean, I don't know, I really don't like the lipsticks which are not comfortable on my lips. But if you are someone who loves not dry lips, I mean, if you are someone who love a liquid lipsticks, I mean, you would actually like it, and the colors are actually very beautiful. I wish it would be in a comfortable formula, I would really love it, because these shades are really pretty. I mean, I love these shades. So I mean, the shades are actually gorgeous. I mean, there is not even one shade which I didn't like, but I mean, they are a bit drying for me, so I mean, that's not great, because I don't really love drying lipsticks. But if you are comfortable with wearing liquid lipsticks and you like matte lipsticks, I mean, these are a great deal, because even these are for like just 11 to 15 dirhams if you are from here. And I mean, in US or in UK you might just get for less than $5 or £5. So it is a good lipstick, but it is a little bit drying for me. If I will use a lip balm underneath this lipstick, I think it won't be that drying, but I mean, it's a little bit drying for me. So yeah, that's that. But if you loved liquid lipsticks, you would actually love it, and the color range is beautiful. I think they have like 8 or 9 shades, so we have that. Yeah guys, these were all for today's video. I hope you like it. I didn't want to give a detailed review video, because I mean, I didn't have all these shades and I didn't want to make this a very long video. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like it, please do give a thumbs up at the end of the video if you want to, if you wish to. It's totally up to you. And please do subscribe to my channel. I'll link all the details and links of these things in the description below. I'll if I can find a US version, I'll obviously put that, but these things are not actually available on the website, so I am not sure. But for here, I'll put a link. If you are from UAE, I'll put a link in the description below, so if you want, you can check it out. Yeah guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.